Minasan, konnichiwa. Junya to moshimasu yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Okay, so yung topic natin for today is Suki, Kirai, Jozu, Heta, Arimasu, and Wakarimasu. Okay, so dewa, hajimete ikimashou. Okay, unahin natin si Suki and Kirai. So sila po ay mga preferences. Like, dislike. So what you like or does not like. Okay, example, I like music. So ano yung gusto ko? Gusto ko ng music. So kung ano yung gusto mo rito, minalalagyan natin ng particle ga. Skikirai jozu, lahat po yan is marked with particle ga. I like music. Ongaku ga suki desu. So particle ga po yung ilalagay natin. He dislikes vegetable. So ayaw niya ng gulay. Kare wa yasai ga hirai desu. Jozu and heta. Ability naman po ito. Good at and bad at. What someone can do or how good or bad someone is at something. Okay, example, Mr. Sam is good at cooking. So magaling siya sa pagluluto. Sam-san wa ryori ga jozu desu. I am bad at math. Okay, mahina ako sa math. Sugaku ga heta desu. Arimas, possession. Kasi before napag-aral natin yung arimas na existence, yung there is. So ngayon naman, possession, have. Having something or something exists. Ito napag-aral na po natin. I have money. Meron akong pera. Watashi wa okane ga arimasu. Okay, put particle ga lang po, Mina. Okay, next. Pwede rin naman po palang negative. So halimbawa, I don't have money. Watashi wa okane ga arimasen. Okay, next. Wakarimasu is understanding. Kung ano yung naintindihan mo, put particle ga, Mina. I understand your feelings. Anata no kimochi ga wakarimasu. Yan. I understand Nihongo. Nihongo ga wakarimasu. So lahat po yan, Mina, huwag kalimutan, sila po ay particle ga. Next natin, how to use conjunction particle ga. So siga po is, but ang meaning nito, so polite, common conversation. It shows a contrast or unexpected result. Ayan. So marami po tayong but, no, Mina? Merong shikashi, mostly ginagamit yung shikashi doon sa written, demo, casual conversation, kedo, mas casual siya. Okay, example ng it shows a contrast. Japanese language is difficult but interesting. Una, negative, sunod, but positive. Pwede rin baliktarin, positive but negative. So, Nihongo wa muzukashi desu ga, yung muzukashi is difficult, particle ga kasi but, contrast. Okay, so magkalaban sila, mahirap, pero omoshiroi desu. Yan, nakakatuwa. Okay, ito naman yung unexpected result. I'm studying Japanese but I can speak. Yan, nag-aaral ako pero hindi naman ako makapagsalita. Pero, no, may but. Nihongo benkyou shitemasu ga. Ayan, put particle ga, unexpected result. Hindi ka naman makapagsalita. Nag-aaral ka naman. Mada hanasemasen. Uwarimashita. Ja, mata ne.